students, welcome to AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss motion in a straight line lecture 4. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. Uniform motion. Now discuss about uniform motion. What is uniform motion? An object is moving along a straight line, covers equal distance at equal intervals of time. However, small intervals may be, then it is said to be uniform motion along a straight line. So, uniform motion nothing but when an object moving equal distances in equal intervals of time. However, small intervals of time, then it is said to be uniform motion along a straight line. Here, equal distances in equal intervals of time. See this, in every 1 second, distance travelled is 10 meters. For every 1 second, here the car is moving 10 meters. So, this is equal distances in equal time intervals. Speed, rate at which an object covers distance is known as speed, or rate of distance is also known as speed, or rate of change of motion is known as speed. Okay. What is speed? Rate at which an object covers distance is known as speed, or rate of change of motion is known as speed, or rate of distance is also speed. Speed is a scalar quantity. Speed is equals to path length by time taken. So, velocity. Rate at which an object changes its position in a given direction is known as velocity. Velocity nothing but rate of change of motion in specified direction is also known as velocity. Our simple definition, rate of displacement is also known as velocity. So, velocity nothing but rate at which an object changes its position in a given direction is known as velocity. Velocity is a vector quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity. It doesn't mention the directions. Only it gives the magnitude. And velocity is a vector quantity. Velocity mentions both magnitude and direction. So, velocity is equals to displacement by time taken, but speed is equals to path length by time taken or distance by time taken. So, velocity is equals to displacement by time taken. The rate of distance is called speed. The rate of displacement is called velocity. Okay, next. Examples of speed and velocity. Here initial position and this is the final position. So, a person, a boy is riding the bicycle and going to this final position. So, and again reaching the same point. So, during total journey, here suppose for example, distance from home to McDonald's 2 kilometers, time 1 hour. Now, we calculate path length, distance between home to McDonald's final position and again from final position to initial position. So, distance is equals to first 2 kilometers and again 2 kilometers. To and fro, for coming 2 kilometers, we are going 2 kilometers. So, 2 plus 2, what is the distance of total journey? 4 kilometers. Okay. Now, displacement is equals to 0. Why? Because he reached the same point. Initial position and final position is same. So, at this situation, displacement is 0. Next, speed is equals to path length by time taken. So, distance how much we calculated? 4 kilometers. Time 1 hour. So, speed is equals to 4 kilometer by hour. Next, velocity. Velocity is equals to displacement by time taken. Displacement is 0. 0 by 1, that is equal to 0. So speed is equals to 4 km per hour and velocity is equals to 0. So now let us discuss MCQs. First one, speed is a dash quantity. First option is scalar, the second option is vector, the third option is neither scalar or nor vector, the fourth option is both scalar and vector. So speed is a scalar quantity. The first option is correct. Now come to the second one. Velocity is a dash quantity. Velocity is a, first option is scalar, second option is vector, the third option is neither scalar or nor vector, the fourth option is both scalar and vector. So which option is correct? Velocity is a vector quantity. So second option is correct. Velocity is a vector quantity. Thanks for watching this video.